Over the last couple of years, anybody working in accountancy or tax has been well aware of the fact that making tax digital was very definitely on the horizon. When the decision was taken to only introduce it for VAT in 2019, people started to relax. They thought, well, that's fine because we already file electronically for VAT and therefore nothing's really going to change. It wasn't until we looked at the detail that people started to realise that because you weren't able to modify data from your original software to filing, that was going to create some problems. We're in a situation where you weren't able to re-enter data on the Revenue's website, for example, meaning that their own system was no longer going to work under MTD. Many software houses have said the only way to deal with this is to buy our products across the whole process, from the very first part of data entry all the way through to VAT filing. But what about people who have been using the Revenue's own software, or people who like to use Excel spreadsheets to produce their VAT information? Well, the excellent news is that at Absolute we've been working on an answer to that problem, and we now have one. The Revenue have confirmed that our system works, and I'm delighted to confirm that the Absolute Excel VAT filer is now available. What will follow in this video is a short explanation as to exactly how that works, as our support team walk you through the process. Then at the end of that, you'll be able to find information about how to buy it, the full prices, and also who to contact if you have any further questions.
So today, I just wanted to show you how simple it is to link our spreadsheet to any spreadsheet that you may be currently using.
To comply with the MTD regulations, it is not possible to type directly into the Absolute Excel MTD VAT filer. Although cut and paste is initially permitted as part of a soft landing, it will not be permitted from April 2020. The Absolute Excel MTD VAT filer has been designed to comply fully without the need to rely on the soft landing, so that users will be able to use the same methodology from the inception of MTD for VAT without having to change the methodology after 1 year. There are two options for linking the source data. Option 1 is the link sales facility, and then option 2 is the link import sheet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the two options. So I'm now going to show you the link sales option. So to do this, you need to have the Absolute Excel VAT filer open, along with your source spreadsheet. So I'm going to use this cash book as my source file. So the first thing that you need to do is click on link sales, and a box will pop up asking you where you should pull the business name from. So if I open up the cash book, click into the business name field and then hit OK. Then do the same with the VAT number. Click into the box and then again hit OK. Start date, end date, box 1, press OK. Now if any of the fields are 0, you can just skip the box. I'm just going to link box 3 to box 1 just for ease. Box 4. Five. Six. and I'm going to leave 8 and 9 blank. So once you've linked all of the boxes, you simply click on finish. Now as you can see, it's put hashes in the boxes that I haven't linked, but if I just click into the cell, it widens the box and it will pull through the 0 automatically for you. So once you're happy that you've linked everything, you can then continue to file. I'm now going to talk you through the link import sheet functionality. This provides an alternative solution and is aimed at more confident Excel users. To use the link import sheet, you will need to have opened the source file and the import worksheet that will have been emailed to you via a link when you placed your order. So if I now open up the import sheet, so the idea is that you actually insert or copy this import worksheet into your source file. So in this particular example, I'm going to insert it into my cash book. So to do that, you simply select Move or Copy, select Cash Book. I'm going to select Move to the end because that's where I want it to appear, and then tick to create a copy. You then click OK. So if I now open up the cash book, you'll be able to see that the other tab has appeared and the import worksheet is at the bottom. So now it's just a case of linking the cells in the import worksheet to the appropriate cells in the source file as you normally would in creating workbook links. What you do, however, need to remember is do not rename this worksheet or the link import sheet function will not be able to find it. So to create the links, all I need to do is if I click into business name, hit equals, open up the cash book, click into the business name field and hit enter. Same with the VAT number. Back to your cash book, select VAT number and press enter. So you can now see that those fields are linked. So if I now move to box 1, so I'll click into the box, press equals, go to my cash book, select my total for box 1, press enter. You'll see that that filters through. Now if for any reason one of the boxes is blank, you can just skip that box. I now go to box 3, press equals, go to my cash book, and I'm just going to make it the same as box 1. Box 4. Five, 6, 7, and I'm just going to leave 8 and 9 blank or 0. So once you're happy with that, what you now need to do is open up the Absolute Excel VAT filer. So the next step is to actually import the data. So to do that, you click on Link Import Sheet, browse to where the source file is saved. So if I double click on the cash book here, and you will see that the figures automatically pull through. So now that the spreadsheets are linked, it's just a case of sending the information to HMRC. To do this, click on Submit in the top right hand corner of the screen. This will open the following window.
So really you're just checking that you're happy with the figures. Once you are, you click on Submit VAT Return Now, if at any point there was something wrong with the figures, the figure would end up being highlighted in red and it wouldn't allow you to continue, so you would not be able to confirm and finalise. Once you are happy, if you click on Confirm and Finalise, it will then take you to the following screen. You need to select Continue and enter your user ID and password. So this will be the user ID and password that you will have been given when you registered with HMRC for Making Tax Digital. Once you've entered those, you then just click on the Sign In button. Select Grant Authority, and you should then get the following screen which says VAT Submission Success. You can then click on Download Receipt, open the receipt on screen. What you'll see is it says that there was a successful transmission with the VAT number, the period and the relevant figure for the box number that you filed to HMRC. And that is the Absolute Excel VAT filer from start to finish. For more information or to register your interest, please visit our website www.absoluteexcelvatfiler.co.uk, email sales@absolutetax.co.uk or phone 01869 255 797. Prices start from as little as £40 plus VAT for up to 10 traders.